Welcome to This Week in Entrepreneurship and Innovation. This week, we are starting with a University of Wyoming startup success story, then looking ahead to founder training and venture showcase opportunities across Wyoming. At UW, the headline this week is UplinkRobotics, a Laramie-based startup founded by former UW engineering students. The company received the Spirit of Wyoming Award from the U.S. Small Business Administration's Wyoming District Office for its innovation, perseverance, community service, and local presence. UplinkRobotics builds compact inspection drones that help home inspectors, contractors, and first responders see into dangerous or hard-to-reach spaces without putting people at unnecessary risk. The company also shows how UW's entrepreneurship pipeline can work over time. It started from a student problem-solving opportunity, won the John P. Elbogen $50,000 entrepreneurship competition in 2022, and graduated from Impact 307 in 2025. That is exactly the kind of progression we want to see. Student talent becoming a Wyoming technology company, creating internships, mentoring young people, and keeping skilled workers in the state. Looking ahead at UW connected opportunities, the next major item is the second day of the SBIR/STTR Proposal Lab on Thursday, June 11th from 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. The Wyoming SBDC network is hosting the free online workshop with the Wyoming SBIR/STTR initiative, Impact 307, the Montana Technology Innovation Partnership, and trainer Jim Greenwood. For research-driven startups, this is practical support for building stronger federal innovation funding proposals, especially Phase 1 submissions. Across the state, there are 2 founder-facing opportunities coming up quickly. On Tuesday, June 9th, the Wyoming SBDC Network and the SBA will host Start Your Own Business, Kemmerer at Oyster Ridge, BOCES in Diamondville. The workshop focuses on testing a business idea, identifying customers, exploring funding options, and connecting entrepreneurs to local support. Then, on Thursday, June 11th, gBETA will host Wyoming Spring 2026 Startup Showcase at Laramie County Community College in Cheyenne. The event will feature live pitches from 5 Wyoming startups working in areas including energy solutions, drug discovery, consumer electronics, and reading education, along with networking for founders, employers, and ecosystem partners. The through line this week is simple. Wyoming innovation is moving from student ideas to real companies and from early stage founders to stronger funding and market opportunities. Thanks for watching This Week in Entrepreneurship and Innovation. I'll see you next week.